I'd like to say a big thank you to Big Tree Tech for sending this Panda touchscreen out for me to review on my channel. We have a thank you card, the Panda Touch manual, if you want to read that with instructions, a nice little sticker, the screen, and the backing plate. And in this little box, we have a cute little rubber duck, your bracket with your M3 adhesive pad, USB-C lead to power it, one Allen key, and a few screws. What we need to do now is put the bracket on the mount. We have 2 extra screws and 2 screw holes by there. Not sure what they are for, so if you know, let me know in the comments. But that then just slips onto there. Make sure your surface is clean. That then just goes down onto there like so. That just slips down there above your existing screen, and then just press it firmly down, and your touch screen simply fits on top like so. Inside your printer, on the inside, I'll put a picture up, is a USB that we will connect the USB lead to power the system. The USB-C then comes up through the slot in your printer into the back of the Panda touchscreen. We will now power on the printer. Click English, click Next. That's the Wi-Fi. That's successfully connected now to my Wi-Fi. Scan for the printer. And there we have it, successfully connected. We can switch the light on and off. Nice little feature. On the back of the unit you have DC power, battery and off. But yeah, a very handy device. All that we hope is that Bambu doesn't lock them out, because it will be a big mistake on their part, I reckon, especially with the new Elegoo Centurion carbon printer that has just come out. I think Bambu needs to tread very carefully what they do. Because I'll be honest, if that printer was out before Christmas when I bought this, I think I would have gone with that. But yeah, it's a nice little addition to the P1S, because you don't get a touch screen with it like you do with the X1C. So for the price, it's well worth it, providing Bambu doesn't lock it out in future updates. My printer has the latest firmware. It is February 2025, and the big TreeTech Panda touchscreen still works with the P1S at the moment. Let's hope that Bambu Labs don't screw that up with future updates. You can turn your light on and off, as already mentioned, your Wi-Fi status, your printer, network, your files. If you press that one, it shows you pictures of them. They just adapters I made on Fusion 360 for my vac, so I can vacuum pack my filament bags. That's if you want to print. You got your fan control, so you can adjust the speed of your fans or turn them off. Your printer speed, I just leave mine on standard. Temperature, if you want to preheat the bed, handy for doing ABS. Then you got your filament section, which is really good, because now you can load your filaments and edit your filaments without having to do it on the Bambu Studio. For this printer anyway, because you don't have a touchscreen until you put this on. But yeah, very responsive touchscreen. The only thing I can't find on here, so I don't know if anybody can help me, if you can let me know in the comments, is how do you get your printer's print hours up? I can do it on the bottom screen. Go into settings, I think, wait a minute. Print time only 122 hours. But I don't know how to get your printing time up on the printing time up on the Panda screen. So if anybody knows, please let me know in the comments, because it would be handy instead of having to come into this little LCD when I want to check it. Yeah, very handy little device. I would recommend it, providing Bambu doesn't lock it out with future updates, which I hope they don't. But to be honest, I think Bambu needs to tread a little bit more carefully now after the backlash from the recent firmware update post that they did. And not to mention, like I said, you got companies now like Elegoo with a Centurion carbon coming out, and other brands that are just as good, if not better, than the Bambu printers.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you liked the video, or a dislike if you didn't, and please consider subscribing. Thanks.